What's up, everybody? Welcome if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike, and in this video I'm going to kick off a series that I've been wanting to do for a while now, specifically related to audio solutions for your vehicle. As you know or may not know, I am a Stinger off-road brand ambassador, but Stinger doesn't just make stuff for Jeeps. If you have a Toyota Tacoma, 4Runner, Silverado, Dodge Ram, Charger, Challenger, even a Honda Accord, they have something over on the website for you. Now, like I said, I'm an ambassador, so I do have a discount code. If you hit Whiplash 10 on checkout, doesn't matter if you're getting a koozie, a shirt, or a radio upgrade, you can save 10% with that code. I'll leave a link in the description below. Hit that, head on over, check out what they have, and maybe they got a solution for you. Okay, before we get any further along, I wanted to add this because it's something I forgot to put in the original recording. Okay, I put up my own money for this kit, but being a brand ambassador, I did get a heavy discount. That being said, Stinger Off-Road didn't tell me what to say. They didn't request that I make this video. They don't even know that I'm doing it. But like I said, I got a discount, and they gave me a discount code for you, so you guys can get 10% off. All that being said, they didn't tell me what to say. They didn't request a video. They're not looking for any of this. So all of the opinions that I give, all my point of view with these series of videos, they're mine. It's what I think. It's what I really think. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. But I just had to put that out there because I didn't do it in the initial recording. So I just wanted to make sure that I was 100% transparent for you guys. All right, let's get back to it. Now, with that said, I'm wanting to do this as a series. Multiple different videos. First, I'm just gonna do an unboxing of this, and maybe I'll get into the setup, and then in a future video I'll go through the actual install. Now, this is the factory 7-inch screen that my Jeep came with. Now, it's good for what it was, and it was an upgrade over the factory 5-inch that it comes with. This was the step up above that. This is the 7-inch Uconnect radio. After running this for a while, I went ahead and grabbed a second-hand 8.4-inch screen and installed that into Whiplash. Ran that for a little bit, and it's a great option. If you can pick one of those up second-hand and save some money, it's really good because it's better than forking out the $1,800 upgrade from the factory. You can get them secondhand from anywhere from $600. Some, if you get it new, you can be up to like $2,300 I've seen. But shop around, you can get it for pretty cheap and save yourself some money. This, on the other hand, has a whole lot more features and a lot more to offer, and it looks way better. It's 10-inch screen, HD, room for cameras and expansion, way more audio flexibility, so you can tune it and expand your audio experience if you wanted to add amplifiers and extra speakers, but we'll get into that in a future video. For now, let's jump into the unboxing. Oof. Lots of packs. Lots of wiring. Bezels. Okay. This looks like a pretty deep kit. There's a lot here.
that's for sure. This looks like it's all the bezel and mounting and stuff. This looks like the speaker mounting. This is all the wiring with your packs. And then they even give you zip ties, so should be pretty much whatever you need. Sorry, I had to close my garage because the neighbors are starting to play music, and it's Saturday. It is what it is. But you got people outside talking and car alarms going off, so bear with me. But as I was saying, it does seem to be pretty deep as far as kits go. There's quite a lot of components. It's a little bit daunting, I do have to admit. You got a lot of wiring. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to dig into the installation guide and really start reading to make sure that I know what I'm doing when it comes time for the install. But here is the pièce de résistance, right? Bam! Look at that. Just looks so good. I'm excited to get this in. All right, cool. Let me just finish unpacking this. See, here's the brains of the operation. And then I don't know what this is. We're gonna figure that out. And this more mounting pieces. All right, is that it? That's it. Very well. Like, I love the foam little details, because man, that really makes me feel good about how this stuff is packaged. Like, it's a lot of sturdy packaging, so everything should be fine. There shouldn't be any problems with shipping and whatnot. So let me dig into the instructions, and we will jump right back into it. All right, guys, in the interest of time, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video right here and just leave this as an unboxing for now. In the next video, I'm gonna get into what all this is, what all you get in the kit as far as the wiring, the pack harnesses, and then I'll show you how to put all that stuff together, and then I'll close this series out by actually getting it into the Jeep and showing you how to break down and install it. And then I'll probably just give you a quick rundown of a couple of the features that you get right out of the box. So hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I will see you over in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and check me out over on Instagram, Whiplash JLU, also on RevKit. Hit your comments. Let me know what other radio systems that you are either experiencing yourself, you're running in your own rig, or you're interested in hearing about, because I'd like to roll that into part of this series too. Maybe do a comparison between Stinger Off-Road, Phoenix Audio, JL Audio, Insane Audio. The Insane Audio is one that was really big at the beginning of JLs when they came out, that first 10-inch. So let me know what you want to see, and then I'll see what I can do to try and do brand battles and see if that's something you're interested in. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Should be pretty much whatever you need.